Hey guys, this is just a quick clip just to go through some rotator cuff finishes to do a couple of times a week. I usually do the Monday, Thursday after the overhead pull push squat workouts. I find that this just keeps them nice and healthy, keeps the glenohumeral joint intact and gets that nice balance through there, and it just helps me kind of stay in touch with where they're at. So just doing 10 of these, just like in the band warm-up. Hitting that vertical position at internal rotation, external rotation, 10 of these, vertical, 10 of these. I'm really trying to keep the spine nice and tall, not shrugging, keeping it nice and equal from left to right. Working up to 3 sets of 10 of that, then going into 2 sets of 15, 3 sets of 15, working up to 3 sets of 20. And just letting the body adapt and not overdoing it too soon, but just gradually improving that, getting that nice range of motion so that the shoulder has nice strength and activation in those different positions. All the different warm-up drills that we do with the bands are great to do. I just find that those ones are really helpful for keeping the shoulder intact and just keeping me in touch with what's going on. Plus it gets a lot of blood supply because it's quite low load and it's quite responsive with those lower levels, that it really kind of keeps those tissues really healthy. And that way when you're using the larger prime mover muscles that are on the outside, those smaller stabilizers are holding the joint intact. So keep balancing your program. See you next time.